Want a fresh new identity in Smash Party? Changing your name is super easy and I'm here to show you how to do in just a few steps. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change name in Smash Party. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Smash Party app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Here you can see the player name option with a pencil icon. Now tap on the pencil icon to change the name. Remove the previous name and type in the new name you'd like to use. You can keep the name fun and unique. This is how other players will see you. Once you're happy with your name, hit the OK option and your name will be updated instantly. And that's it. You've successfully updated your name in Smash Party. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.